Hello guys, we got some frozen drumstick, but to put it in the air fryer. As you can see, I have 4 beautiful drumsticks, but to go right in the air fryer. Power button. Gonna do 370 for 15 minutes. Come back in 15 minutes. Once the first 15 minutes done, just flip it over. One of my favorite seasoning right here, lemon pepper. Can't see. Focus. Yep, there you go. Put it back in. This time it's gonna be 350 for 15 minutes. After it's done, take it out. Flip it again. Don't mind the noise in the background. I'm cooking rice right now in the rice cooker. Some more seasoning here. Seasoning's the best. Final one. Probably do another 15 minutes. At 350. Alright, our chicken is done. Check it out. Biggest one first. See if it's nice and cooked. Look at that crispiness, huh? Perfectly cooked, guys. Simple as that. Beautiful, huh? Hope you guys follow this recipe, tutorial, whatever you want to call it, and enjoy. Perfect, huh?